Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can clone your WhatsApp in your Nothing CMF Phone 1 mobile phone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings and then you have to click on apps. Here it is, cloned apps. You have to just click on WhatsApp like this, and you can see it is creating a clone app and the copy of WhatsApp is created. You can see there are two WhatsApp is showing. This is WhatsApp 1 and this is the clone version of WhatsApp 2, and you can run your second account on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.